This is Chris with Intermountain MOS. And if you're someone who used the market monitor in Paragon Classic, in Paragon Connect, there's even a more robust tool that you can use. It's called the Hotsheet Alerts. And unlike the market monitor, where you're only limited to certain things like only new or only back on market or only sold, with the Hotsheet Alerts, you can do all those things together. So let's take a look at how those work. So to create a Hotsheet Alert, there's the Hotsheet Alert widget that's on the Paragon Connect homepage. I can come here and click Create New Hotsheet. Now, if I want to match the market monitor, first thing I would do is change my number of days back to 1. That's the default on the market monitor. And then we have the filter options here, and this is where you can combine what you want to see. So instead of only seeing price change or only seeing new, I can see price change, new, and back on market all together. And then I can come down here to the criteria, and I can select what I want to see. So I can choose my property class. So let's say I want residential. Maybe I want to go here to property type, and I want to find single family. So start looking for single. Here is RE single family, which is residential. And maybe what I want to look at is Nampa in my market monitor and my Hotsheet alert. And then I can come here and choose other things. Like maybe I want a certain price change, or maybe I want a certain number of acres or square footage. But if that doesn't matter, I can just leave it residential single family Nampa, and I'm only going to see price change, new, and back on market. Now, if I were to hit search, I would see the two results that I have right now. But if I want to make this an alert, I can click on the save button up here on the right, and we'll give it a name. So we'll call this Nampa Bomb PC New. And to make it a Hotsheet alert, I just check this Hotsheet alert box. And if you click on the eye, that will tell you what Hotsheet alerts are. So it makes it really easy to get new information about what's going on in the market based on what you put in there. So I'm going to save that here. And now when I go back to my dashboard, on my Hotsheet alerts, now I've got the Nampa Bomb PC New. Now, because I just did it, that says 0 on the updates. But last week, on the 19th, I made one of these same Hotsheet alerts for Meridian. And since I last ran it on the 19th, there have been 25 new updates. So when I click on that 25, I'm seeing all those listings that are new back on market here in Paragon Connect. And if I want to view these in a spreadsheet, I can go here to the Views menu and choose Spreadsheet. And now I have those listings in a spreadsheet here. And now that I have viewed them, when I go back to my dashboard, let's refresh the Hotsheet alerts. Now the Meridian Hotsheet also says 0. If I were to click on the All, that would show me all the listings in the last 1 day that are new back on market price change for Nampa and Meridian, because they both are set to 1 day back. But the updates were from the last time I ran it. So that's the Hotsheet alerts, and they can be really useful. Thanks.